Click Search bar and type Device Manager. Click Device Manager. Click Display Adapters. Select your display adapter. Right-click and update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Wait. Installation complete and click Close. Close window. If that didn't work, open Steam. Go to the library. Right-click your not working game and click Properties. Click Local Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait. After complete, click Browse. Right-click your not working game application and click Properties. Click Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 and Windows 8. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check Run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. Try to play game. If that didn't work, click Search bar and type Update. Click Check for updates. Click Check for updates. After completed, click Close. Right-click Start menu. Open Task Manager. Click Startup. Disable not used applications. Close window. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, open Internet browser. Go to the website, link in the description. Scroll down. Click Download. Install downloaded file. Click I accept the agreement and click Next. Uncheck Install the Bing bar and click Next. Installation complete and click Finish. Close DirectX website. Go to the website link in the description. Scroll down. Download 3 files. Install downloaded files. Click I agree to the license terms and conditions and click Install. If it fails to install, no problem. Repeat for the other. Click Close. Repeat for the other. Click Close. Close Internet browser. And restart your PC. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.